I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to help you learn how to put a hard return inside a cell in Excel. So, I've got this file here. It's a schedule that was created by somebody else, and man, is it driving me crazy, because in order to make lines, they used spaces. So if I want to make these columns a little bigger, what ends up happening is this is now unreadable. It no longer lines up with the times here. Awful. So what can I do to fix that? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is take out these spaces. And then I'm going to go through and I'm just going to press Alt, Enter. Go here, Alt, Enter. And look at that. Now they're all lined up the way they're supposed to be. It doesn't matter how big I make it, how small I make it. There is one thing that gets kind of annoying though. So at least when it's done this way, I can see it all at once. Whereas if I Alt-Enter, well, what happened to the first line? So a real easy way to see is if you just click this little drop-down button here, this expand button. Look, there it is. As a matter of fact, I can make this as big as I want it to be. So you can see as much text as Excel will hold in one cell. Cool, isn't it? Good luck with that, and please, no more spacing in order to fill your cells correctly.